How to fix always on display not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the always on display issue will be fixed. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down and here click on sound and vibration. Now click on do not disturb option, and from here if you have enabled do not disturb, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. And after turning off do not disturb, the always on display issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and here click on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if you have not updated the software of your mobile, then tap on download and install to update, and after updating, the always on display will start working properly. Now after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue on always on display, then the last solution is open setting one last time. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset all settings, and here click on this reset all settings option again to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the always on display will start working perfectly. So that's how you can fix the always on display not working issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.